Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have with us a product by Xbox. This is the Xbox wireless headset. Judging by the image on the box, this does look like a very quality and good looking headset, but we'll see more of that when we unbox it. On the side here there's some useful information. It says that this item is for the Xbox Series X and for the Xbox Series S. It is also compatible for the Xbox One and can be used with Windows 10. What you get in here is the wireless headset, and you get a USB-C type charging cable. On the back here there's quite a lot of writing and it looks like there's a lot of information, but actually what it is, it's in different languages. So if you just quickly go through it, it says Xbox wireless, you can pair directly to your console for high fidelity sound. On the go audio, it has Bluetooth 4.2 plus for wireless chat and music, so on the go you can connect it to your mobile device and you can listen to the music. Crystal clear chat, eliminates background noise with voice isolation and auto mute. This is a very handy and good feature, especially when you're playing online gaming. This comes very handy, it eliminates all background noise so you can have a clear chat between you and the gamer. Customizable fit, you can adjust the headband and find the right fit. And this has the Microsoft logo at the bottom corner. That's because Xbox is owned by Microsoft. So let's go ahead with unboxing this item. And wow guys, this is how the item is presented, and this is really beautiful. This felt more like a revealing than it did unboxing. Just open the box and it looks like something which you can just put into a display cabinet. I have to say this does look very good. Underneath here we have the wireless charging cable, the USB-C type charging cable, and then we have a few booklets which will have useful information regarding the product. So when you get a chance, you read through this. Coming back to the headset, this does feel like a very good build. I mean, you've got plastic here on the side, you've got plastic up here, but it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. It does feel very solid. Here you've got cushioning, and the cushioning, I must say I'm very impressed with the cushioning. I reviewed the Turtle Beach headset in one of my earlier videos, and I described on there how it felt like it was about to peel off. This doesn't feel like that. You've got the same cushioning here as well. Feels very good. Feels like a product which will last quite a long time. Now if you just have a look around the headset, what we have here is the mic. It can be moved from its position, but wherever position you put it in, it doesn't go back into its normal position like I've seen in some other headphones, because the build quality is very poor. When you move it to a certain position, it starts to slowly creep back into position. There's none of that happening on this. If you come to look at the back here, you have a green button. What this button is for is you hold this button and then you hold the button on the Xbox and it connects the Bluetooth from the headset to the Xbox. You have a mute button here for the mic. On this side, this is where the USB-C type goes in to charge the headset. And I don't see a volume rocker anywhere, but I do see a sign here for a plus and a minus. And if you twist the side, that's to increase the volume, and that is to decrease the volume. I think that's a very good feature that they've added to this headset. I'd rather have it like this than having a separate button. It just makes it look old school. Now in terms of adjusting the headset to fit your head size, this is the smallest it becomes, and when you stretch this, this is the most that you can stretch it, and obviously you can also stretch it outwards to fit your head. So now I'm going to put it on and see how comfortable it is. So I'll just quickly put them on to see how it feels in terms of the fit and the comfortability. And I must admit, I did have my doubts beforehand whether it would fit my head, but this fits very comfortable. It's a lot better than the Turtle Beach headset which I reviewed in my other video, but you have to bear in mind that the Turtle Beach headset was a £30 headset. This cost in excess of £100. Now when you wear these, your whole ear fits into this hole here, and there's no issue of your ear being stuck on this cushion. This cushion fits around the ear and it was quite comfortable. Now my thoughts on this product are that this will certainly be attractive to Xbox fans. PlayStation fans will most likely keep away from this. PlayStation do have their own headset. Personally, I'm a PlayStation fan, but nevertheless I have tested the audio quality on this and this is very good. It will certainly help those people who are gamers and want a headset, especially if you're on the Xbox platform, and this would fit quite nice with it. If I was to mention one pro and con with regards to this headset, I'd say the biggest pro is the battery life on this is quite long, and the biggest con I would say is it's not compatible on quite a few platforms as yet. Maybe in the future Xbox might make it compatible on more platforms, but at the moment that is not the case. So there you have it guys, that was the unboxing of the Xbox wireless headset. If you have any recommendations for me to unbox any other products, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.